Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I am Alice, and I am here with my fantastic co-host, James. How are you today, James?
Hi, Alice. Hi, everyone. I'm doing great today, thank you. I'm in a very good mood because I just bought something new, and I am very excited to talk about it.
Oh, I love new things. Today, our topic is technology and gadgets. We live in a digital world, so we use technology every single day. It is very important to know how to talk about your devices in English.
We will practice essential vocabulary for using computers, phones, and the internet. We will learn some important phrasal verbs, and we will talk about the difference between writing and typing.
So, grab your headphones, put your phone on silent, and let's get started. Okay, everyone. Now, James and I are going to act out a scene. In this story, James and I are sitting in a coffee shop. James has a small white box on the table. He just bought a brand new smartphone, and I am going to help him set it up. Let's listen. Wow, James, is that a new phone in that box?
Yes, it is. My old phone was very slow and the screen was broken, so I bought a new smartphone today.
It looks beautiful. Let's turn it on.
Okay, I am pressing the power button on the side. Nothing is happening. The screen is black.
Oh, maybe the battery is dead. They usually come with a dead battery.
You are right. I need to charge it. I have the cable in my bag. Where is the outlet?
There's an outlet on the wall, right behind you. You can plug it in there.
Perfect. I am plugging in the charger now. Oh, look, the screen is lighting up. It's turning on.
Let's pause the role play right there. James has a beautiful new gadget. Let's talk about the vocabulary we just used. James said he bought a new smartphone.
Yes, a smartphone. In the past, we just said cell phone or mobile phone, but today almost all phones are smartphones because they connect to the internet and work like small computers.
And what did James try to do first? I said, let's turn it on. Turn on is a very important phrasal verb for technology. It means to give power to a machine so it starts working.
The opposite is turn off. You turn on the TV and you turn off the TV. You turn on your phone and you turn off your phone.
But when James tried to turn it on, he said the screen is black. The screen is the flat glass part of the phone or TV where you see the pictures and text. SCREEN.
The screen was black because the battery is dead. This is a funny expression in English. When a person or animal dies, it's very sad, but when a battery has 0% power, we also say it is dead.
Yes, we say my phone is dead or my battery is dead. It just means it needs power. It's not a tragedy.
To give it power, Alice told me to plug it in. Plug in is another great phrasal verb. It means to connect an electrical device to the wall to get electricity. You use a charger to plug in your phone.
You need a cable and a plug. You plug it into the outlet on the wall. So James plugged in his charger and the phone turned on. Let's go back to the scene and see what happens next.
Okay, the phone is on. It says hello in many languages.
Awesome. Now you need to connect to the internet.
Right. It is asking for a Wi-Fi network. Can we use the coffee shop's Wi-Fi?
Yes, we can. The network name is Coffee House Public.
I see it. I am tapping on the name. Now it asks for a password. Do you know the password?
Yes, it's on the menu. The password is coffee2024.
Okay, let me type that. COFFE 2024. Done. Now I tap join.
Are you connected?
Yes, I see the Wi-Fi symbol at the top of the screen. Now I need to log in to my email account.
Let's pause again. The phone is on and now it has internet. In this part, we talked about Wi-Fi.
Yes, Wi-Fi. W-I-F-I. This is the wireless internet connection. A quick pronunciation tip for our listeners. In many languages, this is pronounced Wi-Fi, but in English, we pronounce both letters like the word I. We say Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi.
Please repeat that at home. Wi-Fi. I need the Wi-Fi password.
Speaking of passwords, a password is a secret word or numbers you use to enter a website or connect to a network. Password.
And here is a very important grammar and vocabulary lesson. When James put the password into the phone, he said, "Let me type that." He did not say, "Let me write that."
This is a very common mistake for A2 learners. Write is when you use a pen or a pencil on paper. I write a letter with a pen. But when you use a keyboard on a computer or a smartphone, the verb is type, T-Y-P-E.
You type a message on your phone. You type an email on your computer. You type a password. Never say, "I am writing an email on my computer." Say, "I am typing an email."
On a smartphone, you use your fingers to type. And to choose something on the screen, I use the verb tap. I said, "I am tapping on the name."
Tap means to touch the screen quickly and lightly with your finger. You tap the screen to open something.
Finally, after I tapped join, I said I needed to log in to my email account. Log in is a phrasal verb. It means to enter your username and password to access a website or app.
The opposite is log out. When you finish reading your email on a public computer, you must always log out. Okay, let's go back to the role play for the final part. James has internet. Now he wants to use the phone.
Okay, I'm logged in. Now I want to get some new games.
You need to open the App Store. It's the blue icon on your home screen.
I see it. I am tapping on it. Wow, there are so many apps here.
Swipe up to scroll down the list.
Oh, I found a good car racing game. It's free.
Great! Tap the button to download it.
Okay, it's downloading now. There's a little circle showing the progress.
While it downloads, let's test the camera. They say this new smartphone has an amazing camera.
Good idea. I'm opening the camera app. Let's take a selfie.
Oh, fun! Let me fix my hair. Okay, ready?
Smile. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at this picture. The screen is so clear.
That's a great photo. Technology is amazing. And scene. We successfully set up the new smartphone and we took a beautiful picture. Let's look at the final expressions we used.
First, Alice told me to open the App Store. Let's talk about the word app. A-P-P.
App is short for application. It's a computer program that you use on your phone or tablet. Instagram is an app. WhatsApp is an app. YouTube is an app.
A very important pronunciation tip. Do not say the individual letters. Do not say A-P-P. We say it as one short word, app. I have many apps on my phone.
To look at the different apps, I told James to swipe up. Swipe is an action you only do on touchscreens. S-W-I-P-E. It means to move your finger across the screen quickly.
Yes, you can swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, or swipe right. When you read a long article on your phone, you swipe up to see the text at the bottom.
Then James found a game and decided to download it. Download is a very common technology word. It means to copy data, like a game, a photo, or a document, from the internet to your personal device.
The opposite is upload. If you take a photo on your phone and put it on Instagram for the world to see, you upload it. But if you take a game from the internet to your phone, you download it.
Notice that we used the present continuous tense here. James said, "It's downloading now." We used the verb to be plus the main verb with ing. It's happening right now.
And while we waited, we tested the camera. We took a selfie.
I think everyone knows this word now. A selfie is a photograph that you take of yourself, usually with a smartphone. You hold the phone in front of your face and click.
It was a great selfie, Alice. Well, setting up a new phone can be a little difficult, but with the right English vocabulary, it's very easy.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode. If you learned some new technology words today, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel reach more English learners around the world.
And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
Yes, send this to a friend. Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
Have a wonderful week. See you next time, everyone. Keep practicing and don't forget to charge your battery. Bye.
Bye, everyone.